Hi, Josh Barker with RE/MAX Town & Country Real Estate. Thank you for checking our market update for the month of April. You know, after years of demand stripping away at our existing home inventory that was left over due to the last housing crisis, we're beginning to see the real estate market here in the North State transfer to a more balanced market. Our listing inventories are beginning to tighten up a little bit, which is a good thing for new construction because it provides an opportunity for new construction to take place at more meaningful levels. This is really important because it takes home sellers that are already living in homes to have the desire to move up to a new home that adds additional inventory to the market, because when they sell and move up, they in turn provide existing inventory or resell homes to the market. So these are all good things that we're beginning to see. And this month, we're going to talk about some of the hottest topics trending now. So let's go ahead and dive in. The first one is our home sold report. So home sales for the month of March totaled 286 properties. And that's that's up from 246 a year ago. The increase in sales is a good indication of overall buyer demand. As you can see in the graph, and I'm going to circle this for you in red, the majority of the homes for sale are concentrated, or that sold, are concentrated in the below 600K price range. This shouldn't come as a surprise considering the average sales price in the market is $293,000 at this time. You know, the next thing to look at is just our new listing home report. What the new listing home report does is it gives us an idea of how many listings came to the market last month in the month of March. Now here's a shocker. I'll make sure you can see the slide in a large view. There were 358 properties that came to the market last month compared to 437 in the same month a year ago. So our new listings coming to the market is down 18% over last year. Now, a large reason that took place, as you already probably know, is we had a lot of weather in the month of March. And due to that, a lot of sellers are likely kind of tapping the brakes a little bit about going to the market until they feel like they can get caught up on things they want to do around their home before having a real estate agent out to take a look at their property. So I'm suspecting we could see that increase obviously in April and May for this month and next month, but that is the numbers for the month of March. The next thing to look at is just new construction. As of the end of February, new construction in the city of Reading is up 70% over last year. Now, the large concentration of those homes are being rebuilt, or actually homes that were victims of the Carr fire. So you're seeing this new construction happening there. But we're also beginning to see some meaningful increase in production of new homes in some of the more popular subdivisions up here in the North State as well. I can tell you, because I've talked to a lot of these contractors, they are feeling cautiously optimistic about the market, and they are willing to build more homes and provide them to the market. But the biggest concern that everybody has in the construction field right now is being able to take control over labor costs. So with the shortage of labor, the cost for construction is creeping up. And it's going to be a balancing act for many home builders to balance between affordable homes, being able to build at a certain price and then provide an affordable product to the market. So it's going to be a balancing act going forward. And I'm sure the contractors, man, they got their work cut out for them. The next thing to look at is just interest rates. If there's anything to report on that I think is really, really good news, it would just be the fact that interest rates are remaining low. Right now, a 30-year fixed mortgage is averaging at the low 4% range. Now that's good news, obviously, because just a few months ago, the rate was higher. So today, buyers can actually purchase a home with a lower monthly payment than what they would have had just a few months ago. And then finally, it's just home price expectations. Obviously we get asked this question a lot when we go out on a listing appointment. Buyers are asking the question a lot because they try to understand the market before they participate in it. What I can tell you is that home pricing has a lot more to do with supply and demand and overall the interest rate environment. Okay, so right now, recently, we have our sales increasing and our inventory is decreasing and interest rates are low. So everything's kind of lining out to show appreciation going forward this year. Our expectation is that homes will appreciate more on the lower end, and they'll begin to taper off right around that 550, 600 price range is when you'll start to see appreciation begin to taper off. So just something to kind of keep in mind, and we'll update you on that, of course, from one month to the next. So in any case, if you have any other questions about the real estate market here in Shasta County, just know we're always here to help. Thank you again for taking your time to watch this video today. Make it a great day.